We all know that time of year. The birds are chirping, flowers are blooming, and your nose is running. Your eyes are itchy, and you can't stop sneezing. You know what I'm talking about. Seasonal allergies. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? Allergies are the result of an external stimulant, like pollen, animal hair, certain foods, or in some cases, medicines. Your immune system sees these allergens as foreign invaders on the body and reacts to them as such. So, let's say you're allergic to shellfish and you eat some by accident. Once ingested, your immune system releases antibodies, a group of Y-shaped proteins, to get rid of the allergen. Different antibodies are specifically designed for different types of threats, kind of like a lock and key system. So in this case, the antibodies specific to a shellfish allergy will attach to the incoming allergen. The antibodies also activate a type of white blood cell called mast cells and causes them to secrete certain chemicals in order to flush out the allergen. One of these chemicals is histamine, which makes your capillaries more permeable, allowing more white blood cells to pass through and help fight the allergens. And this increased permeability is also what makes your eyes water and your nose run, ultimately helping to flush the allergen out. Allergic reactions can range from mild and non-threatening to severe and potentially fatal. Of the latter category is anaphylaxis, which is when someone has an extreme allergic reaction that causes intense symptoms in various parts of the body, like warmth, itching, shortness of breath, throat tightening, vomiting, even a drop in blood pressure. It's in these situations that you may have heard of someone deploying an EpiPen, more technically known as an epinephrine injection, which works by relaxing the muscles in the airways and tightening the blood vessels. But why are some allergic reactions super severe while others are mild to non-existent? Experts aren't entirely sure why some people get allergies while others don't, or why some are mild, causing just a sneeze, and others are potentially life-threatening. It's thought that genetics are at least part of the reason. If your mom or dad has an allergy to cat hair, then you'll be more likely to have that allergy as well. But environmental factors play a role in allergies too. In the US at least, rates of all kinds of allergies have been increasing in recent years, especially in children. One theory to explain this trend is something called the hygiene hypothesis, which is the idea that growing up in a super clean and sterile environment affects the natural development on the immune system. These overly sanitary environments can make the immune system more prone to errors, including mistaking something harmless like pollen for an actually threatening invader. Which brings us to the big question of, why do we even have allergies at all? Well, we don't really know. Many experts see allergies as an evolutionary holdover that helped save our ancestors' lives, since the molecules involved are similar to the ones that protect us from venom and poisons. So the thinking is that in more primitive times, allergic reactions were real lifesavers. So the next time seasonal allergies roll around, remember, your body is actually trying to do you a favor.